Yeah, chilling with the Zulu man. Yeah, chilling with the Zulu man.
There's this thing yokuthi indoda iyahlonishwa. Indoda iyalalelwa. Indoda yenza ukuthi, I'm not speaking from a woman's perspective. But at what point does the man not respect? At what point does the man not listen? Because angithi la kuzokwakhiwa. So it should go both ways. Isilungu sithi respect is earned, not given.
Okay.
You can't respect something that doesn't respect itself.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I'll make an example. Ngizokwenza nje example. Umuntu wesilisa engeke ngize ngibize ngegama elimbi engizothi akanayo sexual discipline. Hambe bambe yeke.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to respect umuntu wesilisa ofana owenza kanjalo. Ayikho into emnandi njengenhlonipho, because then everything else doesn't matter. Because if my man respects me, when you respect somebody, there's obviously that intent, there's that kindness, there's that love that comes with it. There's the treatment ukuthi ngiphethe kanjani ngoba uyangihlonipha, akafuni ukungibona ngiphatheke kabi. And those things are much more important than imali, weekends away, I don't know, all what social media says now, you know. I can speak for a lot of women that have been through a lot of things. Ukuthi sekukhona izinto bona abangenandaba nazo, such as a man, maybe dating, the dating space. Some have even gone as far as they don't want any physical interaction with a man. They're fine. They're absolutely fine. They're living their best life as long as they have money and they can pay their bills and they can pay, you know, for their children. They can raise their children, you know, and their expenses are taken care of. They look good. They smell good. I'm one of those people.
Yeah, but then I'm glad you're saying you're one of those people, because now those kind of things, money, paying bills, will not substitute for the physical part.
100%. Unfortunately, it is a human need. Yeah, it is a human need. It is a human need, and I think that it's also a personal decision.
Yeah.
The one thing uNkulunkulu asibusisa ngayo ukuthi thina abantu besifazana sifana njengabantu besilisa. Yes, you'll get that odd night now and then where you're like, I need a man. And also just ukuthi ngihlukanise, there's Bob the Builder and then there's support. Indoda yakhe idinga support.
Sure.
But if usazothi kumina, hey babe, anginamali njengamanje, kuno petrol, engifuna ukufaka petrol, khona indawo engisafuna ukuya kuzona. No, I'm not that person. I'm not the person. But hey babe, I really, really need help with this documentation to finalize X, Y, and Z. I'll sit with you till 3:00 in the morning.
Sure. Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
I feel you.
I'll make sure you are fed. I'll make sure your clothes are clean. I'll do all of that. But when it comes to where now you are taking advantage of my resources,
sure,
to fund either your lifestyle or izinto wena ufuna ukuzenza, then no, I'm not interested.
Yeah, chilling with the Zulu man. Yeah, chilling with the Zulu man.
Igama khohlo mfazi asiwayidelela indoda matubayishiye mkhonto kwazamazulu, and this is Chilling with a Zulu Man. Ngikwamukele ngikubingelele kulesiqephu se-Chilling with a Zulu Man. This is episode 25. Namhlanje ngishonelele ezindabeni zase Hillcrest. Ngafika ngalanda ke uMoria Umkhize ukhabazela kaMavovo. Moria, how are you doing?
I'm all right, thanks. Ngiyaphila njani nini?
Hayi, sikhona. Isizathu esenza ukuthi ube la is because number one, it's Women's Month.
Yes.
And throughout this month, ngizoba ngishama episode with Oli Mbokodo.
Okay.
Right? Sine wathinta abafazi, wathinta uMbokodo. And doing that, ngifuna abantu abazowazi ukungibhekisa as the new generation of Zulu men. Right. With you specifically, I know that you're one of the most honest person when it comes to you guys as women as a whole. And we are going to ukubhekisana while doing that. right?
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngazi kanjani konke lokho, it's a story for another day.
Yeah.
For another day. But today, sikhuluma ngokuthi things that women would say do not matter, but they do matter. What is the first thing that comes to mind among masisho njalo?
Well, firstly, let me just say thank you for allowing me to come on the show. That's number one. Number two, I'm glad to be the first one to come on the show in Women's Month, specifically because umhlaka 9 August is my birthday, so I'm quite excited. But things that women say they don't matter.
Yeah.
My experience is that in duty, it doesn't matter if you have not experienced it.
Sure.
So that's another thing. So some women say love doesn't matter as long as enhlonipa, engiphi imali, enakekela ingane noma ngangangithanda ngisenandaba.
Sure.
But I also think that umuntu othi into akanendaba nayo, it's purely because they've had a bad experience to some sort of effect. Yabo. If you're speaking about Moira specifically, I'll tell you right now, Guti, I don't see the value of a man in my life right now.
Okay.
And I've been single for a very long time. I'm not saying I don't want one.
Yeah.
I'm just saying that it's not something that I actively think about every single day. It would really be nice if I had a man. So that means, for me, it doesn't really matter. Unless that person, if Tuya decide to figure, has got to add some serious value.
Sure.
Because pretty much everything else, I'm sort of doing it on my own.
Yeah.
So abantu besifazana abaningi mebethi hayi mina nginendaba njena noma ngangakwenza ukuthi it's because either they're doing it for themselves, they've had a bad experience with it, or they just don't feel the need purely because they are taking care of whatever that thing should be supplementing.
While still on that, what is your take on that? Because now you're doing everything by yourself, most of the things by yourself. So you're hardly in that position where you say, my man should do that for me. I should do this for my man. Do you believe in that being submissive part, being masculine part in a relationship? Which, okay, these roles should be fulfilled by him. These roles should be fulfilled by me.
Yeah. Look, 100%. Uguti, what we need to understand, Uguti, okay, once there is culture, because culture's there. Gege says sibalekele, even though things have changed, but also times have changed.
Sure.
There's this thing, Yoguti, indoti yahlonishwa, indoti yalalelwa, indoti yenza ukuthi. I'm not speaking from a woman's perspective, but at what point does the man not respect? At what point does the man not listen? Because angithi la kuzokwakhiwa. So it should go both ways. Isilungu sithi respect is earned, not given.
Okay.
You can't respect something that doesn't respect itself.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So I'll make an example. Ngizokwenza nje example. Umuntu wesilisa engeke ngize ngibize ngegama elimbi engizothi akanayo sexual discipline. Hambe bambe yeke.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to respect umuntu wesilisa ofana owenza kanjalo.
How? Ngiyisoka nje.
So kahle ke muthi wena ke uyisoka uzoba isoka kuze kube nini. Recently ngisanda ukulalela enye i-podcast inobaba uMndabe, and uyasho ukuthi this whole thing with abantu besilisa looking for body counts. Kahle kwayiwena, as much as nina nicabanga the opposite, nigcine nani seniluza i-value of some sort. So in terms of women and what they want, and in terms of what a woman wants, first and foremost, and I can tell you this for sure, ayikho into emnandi njengenhlonipho, because then everything else doesn't matter. Because if my man respects me, when you respect somebody, there's obviously that intent, there's that kindness, there's that love that comes with it. there's the treatment ukuthi ngiphethe kanjani ngoba uyangihlonipha akafuni ukungibona ngiphatheke kabi, and those things are much more important than imali, weekends away, I don't know, all the what social media says now, ukuthi women want all of these things. One, hayi sonke. So it's very important more khuluma ngalezi zinto uthi most, usebenzise the keyword ethi most, purely because it's based on hayi sonke esifuna izinto ezifanayo.
Yeah.
Mina in my ripe age is right now, if kuthiwa kukhona engimtholayo njengoba ngichazile ukuthi ngicala ukuthi right now for me it doesn't matter whether I have a man or not. It's actually like an irrelevant point sitting somewhere there. But let's just say ukuthi he does come along.
Sure.
Yabo. Now and I would probably have to sit down and ngicabanga ukuthi konje yini ubrothers azoyenza. Okay, apart from the physical part, right?
Okay.
But yini ubrothers azoyenza that will make my life different. Yabo. Ngesiqamba manga ke bafethu ukuthi akekho ongafuna ukuthandwa, sonke siyafuna ukuthandwa.
Sure.
Not even in relationships, but with family, with our friends, with our children. Every human being wants to be loved in some shape or form.
Yeah.
Yabo. But for me right now, it's a matter of, and I can speak for a lot of women that have been through a lot of things. Ukuthi sekukhona izinto bona abangenandaba nazo, such as a man, maybe dating, the dating space. Some have even gone as far as they don't want any physical interaction with a man. They're fine. Yeah, well, they're absolutely fine. They're living their best life as long as they have money and they can pay their bills and they can pay, for their children. They can raise their children, and their expenses are taken care of. They look good. They smell good. I'm one of those people.
Yeah, but then I'm glad you're saying you're one of those people because now those kind of things, money, paying bills, will not substitute for the physical part.
100%. Unfortunately, it is a human need. Yeah, it is a human need. It is a human need, and I think that it's also a personal decision.
Yeah.
The one thing uNkulunkulu asibusisa ngayo ukuthi thina abantu besifazana sifana njengabantu besilisa. Yes, you'll get that odd night now and then where you're like, I need a man. But it's not an everyday thing.
Some women in your father, and some women want it every day.
100%. It all just depends ukuthi umuntu ke yena ke eyakhe libido ingakanani. But most women in depending on the years on this earth, it just decides. Maybe the younger ones are a lot more bayashesha, the blood is still flowing, the hormones are high. And but I also think it also just depends on what you're dealing with in your life. Lento icishe ifana njengomuntu wesilisa mena inkinga eziningi. They have what we call DF.
Okay.
Or ED. Which is erectile dysfunction. Yeah. So nakhona futhi nakubantu besifazane yabakhona angifuni mina leyo nto ngidinga ukusolve lenkinga lena ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi nami ngibe right. So yes, it just all kind of goes down to ukuthi kwenzakalani with your life at that point in time. But I'm thinking also there's a lot of women out there that think that they don't care about a faithful man.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a lot of women that think that umshado that it doesn't matter whether by a shado or not. But I also feel that if you have experienced marriage and maybe become divorced, you feel that way.
Sure.
Nike nizwe nani ukuthi abangakangeni bafuna ukungena sebengenile bafuna ukuphuma.
Yeah.
Right? And that's where when I started off, it all comes down and depends on ukuthi what have you experienced?
Yeah.
Yini osuyizwile, yini oyidingayo.
Sure.
So it's just it all comes down to the different situations a person is in. And
You-
then
you-
uzokutshela ukuthi this matters,
Yeah.
this doesn't matter.
You as Moria, are you for or are you against marriage? Because to me, as you said earlier, Uti, this thing is about building. Yabo?
Yes.
I pour into your cup, you pour
Yes.
into my cup. It
Yes.
has to balance. Yabo? There's been this lot of, I would say, a debate about this how does marriage benefit women, and men would say how does marriage benefit men. It doesn't benefit us with anything. If you look at it in that way, siqu sakho wede yabo vele into moyibheka kanjalo ekubeni kuyinto eyinhlanganisela ayizubukeka kahle vele wonke umuntu hleze buka ngathi ayi ngiyarobheka mina ngiyarobheka mina sideline. Are you for marriage? Are you for or against marriage?
100%. Mina, I love love.
yeah.
Love. I want, especially if I see on our social media people in love and doing romantic things. Even when I'm watching the video, you'll see me smile because I love love, and I know also Namuguti, I'm capable of offering love in the most in the most amazing way possible. But I've been married before.
Cool.
Okay, I've been married before, and probably the first year was absolutely amazing. And then for some reason, 2 years later down the line, 3 years later down the line, it just went downhill. And it became, for me, from something that I thought was the best decision of my life, became the worst decision of my life.
Sure.
So sonke we experience imshado yethu differently.
Yeah.
Khona abanye abazothi okusalayo ngishadile. Okusalayo mina ngeke ngize ngiyishiye le ndoda yami.
Yeah.
And for me, Mina, I'm a big advocate of being selfish and thinking about yourself first.
Sure.
And I'll make an example.
Self-worth.
Self-worth, yes.
Sure.
So, but ufanele kodwa ube selfish ngawe.
Sure.
Yabo? Ukuthi, if you look at photos of me when I was married compared to now, I look like a totally different person.
Do you have some of those?
I do.
May I see?
And they I actually have a TikTok video that I made, which was like a cut. And I just, if you just see the difference in who I was when I was married and what I looked like when I was married compared to about 3 years after marriage. Purely because I prioritized my husband so much. Gambegala. And everything was about him. He had to look good. He had to feel good. He had to be well fed. He had to
Yeah, the typical makoti.
Yes. Ngisho noma ngiyothenga ingubo, ngithenga ingubo, mengifika ngithi ngiyothenga ingubo, ngiphinde ngishintshe umqondo ngithi, oh, you know what, this will actually look nice for my husband, you know, instead of me type thing. So it's just one of those things that you just like, you sacrifice and then you end up usubona ngeringi kahle kahle uthi ushadile, and then when you look, in fact I lost myself. So that's me married. That's me married.
Yo.
And then you just need to scroll just
And
swipe left.
This is you. I know this version of you, I think.
Yes, that's the version of you that you started meeting. But
Hey, wabampof, yes.
exactly.
Can I show it to?
Yes, of course.
So this was it. I'm not sure if you care. You
You can see that's me. Like, what am I wearing?
But I'll try to get these photos and go inside. Say,
Yeah, but it's crazy. Like
Yeah,
I was
ne?
dark, the stress, the high levels of cortisol, the anxiety. I was always exhausted. Like always exhausted. Even if I had slept, I always felt like I was exhausted. And and then like as soon as he was gone, I just decided it was okay, no, now I need to focus on Moira. And you focus, and once you focus on yourself, things start changing.
From from that experience going forward, do you think you choose a man that is that has a potential or that is already well
No,
established?
Bob the Builder stage for me is gone.
Sure.
I am no longer into a man that has got potential.
Sure.
Come potential.
Mocabanga.
Come potential.
Umuntu osimama ufika neleso sikhathi sokuthi yabuya manje sekuvula umuntu mhlawumbe ozoba nezinto zakhe mewuthi unezinto zakhe
Yes.
nje angikusiyo umuntu usimanje
Yes.
no baby ngisahlanganisa ubuza kuthina exe
No.
no ngisahlanganisa mama
Osahlanganisa Nkosi yami no
Yeah.
ngiyabonga akaye kumuntu that has still got the time, the energy to help them go through their Bob the Builder stage.
siphela neleso sikhathi
Ngizwa?
sifika neleso sikhathi ukuthi yabuya manje
When you've experienced being Bob the Builder.
And
I was Bob the Builder.
and you didn't get anything out of that.
I didn't get anything out of it. In fact, other people got the benefit of my hard work.
Sure.
They got the weekends away with my family's income.
Visit TLP Dilize phela.
You know, lucky enough, the house was mine. So, yeah. So it's just one of those things. And and also just to there's Bob the Builder and then there's support. Indoda yakhe idinga support.
Sure.
But if usazothi kumina, hey babe, anginamali njengamanje, kuno petrol, ngifuna ukufaka petrol, khona indawo ngisafuna ukuya kuzona. No, I'm not that person. I'm not the person. But hey babe, I really, really need help with this documentation to finalize X, Y, and Z. I'll sit with you till 3:00 in the morning.
Sure. Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
I feel you.
I'll make sure you are fed. I'll make sure your clothes are clean. I'll do all of that. But when it comes to where now you are taking advantage of my resources
Sure.
to fund either your lifestyle or izinto wena ufuna ukuzenza, then no, I'm not interested. And because 90% of a guy that you give pretty much 100% to,
Yeah.
mesebe ibona ukuthi be right, and guaranteed it always happens. Very few and far between. Kuyimvela kancane uthola indoda ezothi, "Hey, you stuck with me
Sure.
through and through." Once wayibona ukuthi use right, useyakubona wena ukuthi, "Hey, omnyama ngaka manje lo mfazi."
But yazi amajida akhala
manje lo
ngani?
mfazi.
Amajida akhala ngokuthi I hear where you're coming from and that support type and that. But amajida akhala ngokuthi ekusey umuntu avela athi ekuseke kade ngehla ngenyuka nawo ebesho ukuthi nje kade elekhuza imlenze kuphela nje ayikho into ebambekayo ngokuthi awakwangisiza ngento ukuthi angisiza ngento ukuthi. What would you say on that?
It's wrong, but enye into kodwa fethu, it also comes from experience yakhe umuntu lo experience at that particular time. But I think most uzokhipha igama elifana njengalelo fanele uyihlalise phansi and really think about ukuthi what has this person done for me and what has she not done. Ngoba sengifike kule stage sokuba level up sengila phezulu musu mbukela phansi, you need to think things like when ubusy uyahasilisha indlela ohasilisa ngayo, ushiya umuntu wakhe endlini, uyabuya ku clean kuphekiwe, ufika uhlala phansi ukhathele, uyadla, uyangena empedeni uyageza, uyangena empedeni uyalala. The next day you wake up, you've got a lunch, you ready, everything of yours is prepared for you to go back and hustle again. You can't equate that to just ukuthi uvula imlenze kuphela. Who was going to do all those things? Because enye into futhi le mhlapa abantu besilisa abangayi understand. Yabo uma ufika endlini eclean in the environment, it actually also helps with the brain. It calms your brain. Chaos does not allow you to de-stress. And vele uzothola ukuthi mhlawumbe lo muntu wesifazane mhlawumbe let's say akasebenzi, and this is really her way of showing ukuthi I care and that I love you. I will make sure ukuthi ikhaya lifudumele. I'll make sure ukuthi you're very well looked after.
Yeah,
you know, khona abanye abantu besifazane abathi nje I had a stance, or I had this thing, even ngisajola before ngishade, I refused to do a single ounce of washing.
Yeah.
Even if it starting little corner, I did not make the bed.
Yeah.
I got up, I showered, and I left.
Awezinja fethu.
Yabo. I never wanted him to give him an impression yokuthi sengumfazi wakhe.
Yeah.
Because your wife must wash and clean for you. And at the time wayengakangikhipheli ngisho uzuku, wayengangikhipheli ngisho 5 cent.
Yabo.
So the time and even he will tell you ukuthi wathi ngilobolile. Awu ngaqala. Ngakhombisa ukuthi no fine, I used to cook for him, ngiphe.
Aqala ingqothovu
ngaba ingqothovu because manje I'm looking after my man.
Sure. I feel you.
Mina enye into engangiyisaba ukuthi ngizowasha ngiclean ngihambe kube khona ozosala ozongena lale la sengiwashile ngaclean ngiphinde ngibuye futhi athi hey babe ushintsha amashidi lapha kanti uyazi ukuthi yena kade enzani. So I took a stance from a very very young time ukuthi nje that's how I'm going to roll until such time ngize ngibone ukuthi no, you know, this is because sasingahlali ndawonye.
Awufika uhambe.
Ngangifika ngihambe.
Ya uzwakala ile nhlobo ethexe indoda yami le ngingafa ngeyami indoda ngafa.
True. Yeah. But also at the same time mina with my ex-husband but also with any other serious relationship I've ever had.
Sure.
Ngangihlezi ngibatshela ngithi yabo bafethu ungakwenza konke. 2 things engeke ngikwazi ukuyibekezelela. Ukuthi ungibeke isandla nokuthi ungichithele. If kukhona la ubona khona ukuthi angisenzi khona kahle ngihlalise phansi ungitshela ukuthi you are lazy, you have now gained so much weight usukhuluphela endlela exakile, if that bothers you, whatever bothers you, yabo, at least uphimisele zonke izinto osuyikhulumi ezikuphatha kabi so that I may find a way to fix those things. Right? Because why? Ngiyakuthanda ngithi I want to make you happy. But if at some point wena uzohamba uyokwenza lokho okwenzayo mase ubanjiwe musuthi ha wena ngithi nje wena buka nje ukhuluphela kanjani awusaqoki na kahle ngakufica ugqoka kahle uhlezi umuhle ngaso sonke isikhathi usuqhamuka nama excuses afterwards to justify your actions kanti you had the opportunity to sit me down and say 1 2 3 and 4 5 angikuthandi the same way I'm going to do to you ukuthi hey baba awulungisa 1 2 3 and 4 ukuze siqhubeke kahle yabo and enye into yabo musuphilile nomuntu mfethu you tend to become comfortable.
Sure.
You end up being comfortable with somebody and khona ezinye izinto mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi uyayidedela ungabe usayinaka kanti they are important, such as being clean, such as always looking and smelling nice. Angithi wakufica kanjalo wakubona nje uyihambela uyintokazi umuhle nani and all of a sudden now suhlezi uyidiqa awusafanga ngisho ibhodisi endlini and all of that stuff which will be like mefika endlini athi
nanso
lo mpahla mase aba nomunye obhodile yabo onebele elimile likhomba utsotsi avela athi I know awuthi ngene la and then wena usuhleli yini engakwenzelanga yona but what about you? So when I say ukuthi kubalekile ukuba selfish, sometimes being selfish can be beneficial to somebody else. Ukuthi no, babe, I'm going to go and get my nails done today. Oh, but mfethu baby, akliniwe noma ingane idinga endaweni ukuthi no, but you can do that. I need to go get my hair done. I need to go get my nails done.
Yabo. Lezo nje tshela bani ngoba uhlala nami la endlini.
For you,
lezo zinole lezo ufuna ukubuka amadoda.
And then into futhi leyo mfethu enye into leyo that we need to be careful also need to be careful about lento ukuthi umuntu usuyafika angithi umthande ngesikhathi umbona. Fine, my hair today is not done, but come the weekend, I'll be looking very zhush. But
it's still very clean. I can see from here.
Yeah, but like my nails are always done. My nails are always done. I always look okay, you know. Obviously mengihamba I look even okay, or even
you want
better.
Ucela mawishaya endukweni, you know.
Yabona nje ngiyakwazi ukuqoqeka ngibe clean ngibe muhle yabo, soap and water type of thing yabo. So ngesikhathi mina ngihlangana no brothers ungibona nginje yaya, and then all of a sudden you are now going to change and then uthi kumina zenziwelani inzipho ulenzelani ikhanda awugundi ngani ushaya ikhathi yabo kodwa ngifica ngikwenza lokho yabo there was certain wangifica mhlawumbe wangibona ngigqoke a really nice tracksuit pants all of a sudden ngoba sesiyajola usethu sefuna isketi kanjani
sure
and
doesn't that go towards maybe you would say, because I'm sure now khona izinto as umuntu osifazana ozimasuhleli naye ubona it's okay uyakwenza lokhu then uzama ukulungisa lokhu ukuthi awu kodwa sibani ke Can you try fixing this? Can you try like amajita amaningi like I know no isikhathi lesi so baba futhi ukuthi mayegqokile nje umuntu ukuthi kukanjani akayibona into ihambisana nayo
Yeah, mefaka
nengahambisani
iskipha neshort nophaqa phume yabo akanankinga. And enye into esifanele si understand, especially in relationships, is that we are a reflection of each other. So if
Explain.
mina nawe Vuyo sihlala endlini eyodwa, mina ngiyaphuma ngiyaconsa ngi-straight yabo, uphume wena njengobaba wekhaya ungilandele and uyalenga, it's a reflection on me. Ngeke baze basho ukuthi uVuyo kwenzakalani, bazothi umfazi wakhe akasamtsheli ngani. Yabo. So those are some of the things that are very important.
mengezwa
Ukuthi you have to look after each other. Mina, I think the one time I so we had a function for work, right? And I'll give you an example. We had a function for work, and it was at a place called Makaranga in Kloof. I don't know if you've heard of it. They've since closed down, but it was a it was a big concert. It was like a concert on the lawn type of thing with the stage, but it was held by our company. So there were clients, very important clients that were going to be there. So, our brothers at the time, we were dating. In fact, I think we were engaged or something like that. So, selobolile, but singakashadi in full. I get him, okay, ahlali ke ndawonye. I said to him, no, it's fine, because he didn't have a car. And I said to him, no, I'll pick you up from home and then we'll go. Yabo.
yo you were really popped the builder
Yeah. And I was like, you know what? It's a really nice sunny day. But in terms of it's a really nice sunny day, I told him, look, there's going to be clients. I'm going to have to go speak to clients. I'm going to have to look after clients and all of that stuff. So we tend to look after our clients. Is your drink okay? Can I get you another drink? Yabo, to make sure ukuthi bafeel comfortable. Yabo. Anyway, so I said, look, I need you to look presentable. And he arrives in shorts in Klapia 20 rand le shorts yabo. Neskipa no phaqa be relay. So he gets into the car and I think to myself,
who was older, him or you?
I bengimdlula ngonyaka.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there wasn't an age difference.
I can tell there is some
And ngiyambuka ngithi mina, fine, I understood because he came from a not so wealthy background. Nami ngiqhamuki from a wealthy background. It's just that I've worked hard. Angisho futhi ukuthi I'm wealthy or I've got a lot of money.
Yeah.
It's just now uyakwazi ukuthi isenti nesenti ukwazi ukushintsha 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your life. And I kid you not. I picked him up I picked him up and we drove to Pavilion. And we went into Mr. Price and I got him an outfit from top to bottom.
cool.
So that when I'm with him, I can gladly say,
That's my
hey,
man.
boss, this is my fiance. You know,
Yeah.
At that time I couldn't do that. And we also went and had a haircut because he didn't have a haircut. Gambo ngikota nkosi yami lo muntu ongakundile kodwa ubazi for all this time.
Now,
You know,
sorry. Now, you did all that, okay? That another thing that I'm actually thinking is a color now. If a woman does something good for you, they will brush it on your face someday somehow. Yeah,
it does what?
they will brush it for kabsela ngakuthi ngakwenzela ukuthi.
Most of the time iqatshwana yes kuyaba khona lokho.
Okay.
Kuyaba khona lokho yes kuyaqatshwana la. But yabona mfethu khona into uyenzela umuntu just out of the pure goodness of your heart.
Sure.
Uyenza ngenhliziyo emhlophe nanokuthi ufuna ukumjabulisa, ufuna ukumkhombisa ukuthi uyamthanda and they are a very important person in your life.
Sure.
And then at some point in time with you doing all these beautiful gestures to show lo muntu ukuthi uyamthanda, and let's say for example they cheat on you, that hurts. Kubuhlungu. And the crazy thing which I can never understand with men, uyazi ukuthi abantu besifazane abamanje banokuthi, oh, you can do that, so can I. But you guys can't recover from that as much as we can. I have a friend that refuses to get married till today because he was cheated on 16 years ago.
It's valid.
And he's got he's had relationships.
Yeah.
But ubone nje ukuthi nakhona unayo
Uyenza
relationship
nje.
but uyenza nje. Yebo uzoyishowisha lo gesture yama feelings what. Kwiciciso ubona lo sisakasekho. How yini kwenze njani nani yangazi nje ukuthi mina ngihlala ngifuna umuntu azangifaka inzipho ngoba ngiyazi ngoba vele and automatically his next thing that he says will be like ngiyazi vele uzogcina esengikebereshelile. But how do you know purely from one experience that you refuse to heal from or can't heal from? Tina, it takes us maybe a year or two to heal. And then we meet the next man and we love them just as much. You know? Or sometimes it's quick. So that's what I'm saying, ukuthi, if a man can take 16 years to heal from ubuhlungu abuzwile from his woman being cheated on, why nina ninga understand ukuthi kubuhlungu kangakanani umuntu esifazane momchithela? Ngoba wena futhi mhlawumbe ukhala uwedwa, thina sikhala uthola ukuthi kubuka wonke umuntu. Uthola ukuthi usuyaxabana nomuntu endlini, usuyamemeza sekuphuma nanomakhelwane because lento ibhlungu ngaphakathi. Wena ndoda uzothi okay kwenzeka kanje, uthi uma ufika endlini ungene embedeni usikhihla isilili because wena wedwa. You won't show your emotions. Tina, we show our emotions because that's how we built. We are emotional beings. So if wena ubazi ubuhlungu bokuchithelwa, why would you ever do that to another person? So that's what I'm saying. It goes both ways. And yabona nje mfethu ukuhlonipha ave kulula bafowethu, and I want to say this now, ave kulula ukuhlonipha umuntu wesilisa okuhloniphayo. Umuntu okwaziyo ukuthi you are a human being and that you are important. Veleke, if we go to eBhayibhelini, if we go scripturally, the scriptures are very clear. Ukuthi mfazi hlonipha, submit. Ndoda thanda unkosikazi wakho.
Yeah.
And umuntu omthandayo, in the true sense of the word, you will not cheat on them. You will not be abusive to them in any type, way, or shape or form. You will look after him. You will treat them with kindness. You will treat them with honesty. Those are all the things that come out from love. And uyabona mfethu umuntu umbone wesilisa okwenza kanjalo. For the right woman who's got the right brain, ngeke azambone lo muntu wesilisa ezislima. Uzobona indoda, and it's easy ngoba ngisho noma ekhuluma lo muntu wesilisa uyebo baba.
How you as a woman, do you believe in that ukuthi women will have their beauty era and all those eras where they'll have guys, you know, befika kubona beshela ngaleso sikhathi, and then they will reach the age whereby that time declines. Yabo, do you umqondo lapho yabo uyafana ukuthi, because I may come, maybe she's around 23, yabo, will she look at me the same way when she's 30? Yabo, which okay, this is guy who's serious, kanje, he's actually he's a good guy, I can build a home, yabo, and all that. Umuntu na 20, namuna 23. So what I'm going to find out mesana 30. Not now.
No, definitely not.
Why is that?
You're supposed to grow with age. Because unama experiences akufundisayo, you are learning life lessons. Funny enough though, khona uthola ukuthi khona abantu abano 30, 40, 50 abasanemqondo yezingane, through their actions, through the way they speak, uyezwa nalelimini ukuthi lo there's no connection between here, or this doesn't really function well, you know, and the way that abaphimsela ngayo. But you also mentioned something about beauty.
Yeah.
Okay. People change. We are designed as human beings, unless you've got lots of money for plastic surgery and all of that stuff. I actually saw, before I came here this morning, I saw a video that Halle Berry, she turned 60. She could look 35. Yeah, well? But we all know in Hollywood that you can buy a body. Look at Janet Jackson. She's 63.
Let's not talk about Americans. Let's talk
No, but
about
I'm just saying. Yes. No, but even now, the influencers, the guys, the women that have got money, they are buying bodies. They are buying surgeries that will help them to look and stay young. But if umuntu ke njengomoya ongenayo lo mali leyo to go to Turkey, and I'm with a man, and over time he finds me unattractive, all good and well. But if you understand the true sense, let's say in a proper relationship or even marriage, if you understand the true sense of the word, looks should, as you grow older, shouldn't matter. It's what the person can offer, how that person makes you feel. Do they make you feel safe? Do they make you feel like you're at home? But I don't think that's what abantu abayifunayo right now. Abantu right now want to live lempilo le siyibona ko social media. The weekends away, the flowers, the cars, the nice clothes, the events, the fancy houses. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. But umuntu umqondo womuntu na 23 when they're 30 should have changed for the better, not for the worse.
Now, as a guy, I'm going to come and say, okay, I was serious about that.
Yes.
She was not serious about that.
Yes.
Because I'm going to talk about
Yes.
and I will refuse to take or date that person later in life, you know. That is what,
statistically, they say women are more mature than men. That's number one.
do you believe in that?
Yes, I absolutely believe in that.
Okay.
And also, women should choose to marry slightly older men. So if you're 25, marry a 30-year-old.
But, okay, yeah. Because
But also-
everything you say, I want to keep into consideration that there are guys like me who just like older women.
Who like
than
older
them.
women.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%. But also with that being said, you need to also take it with a pinch of salt. Ukuthi umuntu wesifazane otokhula than you might tend to want to control izinto a little bit more.
Not for now. Okay, go on.
No, but I'm
Yeah,
just telling you. Ukuthi there's that sense of wanting to control because I know better, I've been around longer, and maybe I've experienced a little bit more.
Sure.
So it's and especially if you're wanting a woman that's sort of like almost very well established. So let's say you get a woman that is working, has got her own place, has got her own money. Now where yes, you're maybe 5 years younger, but uzobe say the talk is not gonna be lovey-dovey as often as with a 23-year-old. Yabo?
Yeah,
It's
not
also
as
it's not gonna
dreamy.
also be too sexual. Yabo? Khona izinto thola ukuthi the younger guys speak about or the younger couples speak about as opposed to the older couples. The older people, we're speaking a way forward, a future.
Yeah.
Ukuthi siyaphi misuka la. What are we doing in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years? Whereas the younger couples, it's about when are we gonna get some?
Yeah.
Or when I get home, I'm gonna rip
Wait,
the
wait,
clothes apart.
But
Can we get takeaway?
How-
Let's Netflix and chill.
how true is it that as women grow older, they want more of that, they want more physical things?
There's an age. I'm in that age right now. Where now what I call security if you don't have a permanent fixture. I'm telling you, it's the hormones, and it's not like ukuthi mhlampe ngoba ufuna
Desperate.
ukufeba or whatever.
Yeah.
Or, it's the hormone change in the body
Yeah.
that suddenly increases your estrogen.
Okay.
And that actually starts between about 35 to the age of 50.
Yo, 50.
50. Why? And that's another thing. Why is it that you think ukuthi umuntu wesifazane is old when they're 50?
Huh?
A lot of men
No,
think
actually, I don't. Now that I've grown, because I'm 50, yabo, and I look at aunt, I'm like, I always thought to aunt as I grew up, but now that I've grown and I'm looking 50, and I'm looking at my mother who's like 46, 47. Yeah, but she's close to 50. I'm like, and these people haven't changed so long. Yeah, but it's just like, oh, okay.
In fact, vele kuthiwa I know lo semdala.
Yeah.
But you'll find ukuthi she's probably still very sexually active as opposed to a man
Would you say
who's 50.
would you say or would you agree, Wutsi, that contributes to all the women dating younger kids?
Yes.
Does it?
Stamina.
Oh, okay. Are you saying a man who's 50 does not match the stamina of a 50-year-old
Absolutely
woman?
not. If he's healthy,
Sure.
yes.
If it's not,
Because if you look at the 50-year-olds
yeah.
that have got beer bellies, most men, especially around that you see, have got beer bellies. They don't gym. They don't even take a single multivitamin. They don't eat well. Inhloko kuyaxotshoza idombolo, what. Mhlawumbe badla one good meal when they get home. You'll never see a guy that will actively meal prep and eat things healthy and take multivitamins and take even if it took kishinyongo just to get the blood flow, to go have a colonoscopy just to check out is everything up, they're going fine. They don't go for medical checkups. They just don't look after themselves. It's all about life. Igane, yabona, gyapuzwa, namajita. We're living the life so and so and so. But a man that looks after himself, goes to the gym, is seriously active. It's not about ukuthatha because ukuthatha it only affects a certain part of the body.
Yeah.
But uzothola ukuthi mhlawumbe uyachatha but inhliziyo yakho ayikho right or your kidneys are not okay. That's not looking after yourself healthily. Nanokuthi if you are healthy awudingi ukuchatha.
Okay.
If you're a healthy man, awudingi ukuchatha. Because everything that is supposed to be working the way it's supposed to be working will be working the way it's supposed to be working.
Okay. Hi. Niyazwa lapho madoda. Comment on your views.
So yeah.
And then you've been Bob the Builder, and just in general, a woman has been Bob the Builder, has been supportive. Yeah, boy. And then on the other side, there's a guy who has potential. Maybe let's just say they're on the same level at this point. Yeah, boy. Supportive Lomonia, maybe that's building type. And then usahlanganisa ngala is potential attractive to you guys? Does potential thing? I know he has a potential. Does it play a role? What kind of role does it play? How do you guys understand it?
To the younger girls, yes. Potential to the younger girls, not at my age.
Sure.
Not at my age. The woman in my age wants somebody already potential.
While you were younger, why did you think potential mattered?
Because I thought that we could grow together.
Sure.
I don't have time to grow together. I want to start living.
Mm-hmm.
You get what I'm saying? So I mean, I can tell you one thing, Uguti, if I ever do decide to have a relationship, number one, I'm not going to have any more children.
Mm-hmm.
I've got my two kids, and I'm not going to have any more children. So, and I'm happy, Mina, this is Moira's decision, not any other woman, but I know Uguti, there will be some woman that will sympathize with me. You get what I'm saying? So, with that being said, kungaba nalento ukuthi okay, Mina, Moira, because I've got two kids, I want a man that's already got kids, that doesn't want any more kids, and I will be very happy to build a blended family. Mina, Moira. My man must build us a house. If we've got 5 kids all together, there needs to be enough bedrooms for everybody. Needs to be a big home with a big garden, what. That is what I want.
You mentioned that.
Yeah. Let's combine home. I'll sell my home, you sell your home, and we buy a home together that will fit the whole family. That's if also mabazo mebezoyifumela phela ingane ukuthi zizohlala. But I would be very happy to raise other people's kids because I'm not going to have kids, and I don't want to deny my man to have his kids around him.
What if you want more kids?
Well, then I'm not the person for him because I'm not willing to have any more kids. It's just and those are the things ukuthi uthola ukuthi umuntu ke lo muntu esilisa uzokwenza i-decision uthi ay okay kulungile ngiyakuzwa. Yes, athi ngiyakuzwa. Okay, and I accept that. Angitshele kanjalo uthi I accept that. Hawu siqhubeke kube mnandi sithandana. Mase ngizwa sekuthiwa sekunengane ngaphandle. And what is this excuse going to be? But you said you don't want any more kids.
Hey, mama,
but I thought we agreed. But we agreed that you were okay.
Sure.
Yeah, bo? So those are all those types of things now that we have to sort of kind of take into consideration when we are in relationships, and what level you are at. If you are young and you meet somebody that is also young, that has got potential, all good and well, ukuthi nakhe noba u-2 and grow together. When you get to a certain age, there's no time for ukwaka. You want to be living and already making better what you've already accumulated and achieved. Akwazi ukuthi mina manje sengizoqala ngendoda potential, because also indoda ungaba kanjani indoda ene potential at your 40s. I'm in my 40s.
Sure. So building a man or building with a man will reach a certain time limit.
100%.
No, after this,
Yeah.
angisakwenzi lokho. Now,
Also, one thing you need to remember: when you've got kids, there shouldn't be still potential.
there shouldn't be.
Still potential. You shouldn't still be in a potential stage.
Okay.
You should be already set making money, doing things, because
Yeah.
you've got mouths to feed. But we all know how a lot of women feel about their baby daddies out there, including myself. A lot of these men do not want to maintain their kids. They're happy to make them, but they're not happy to maintain them.
But that is somehow I say that's naleyo decision ilele kunina kancane. Yabo.
True.
Ilele kunina hayi ukuthi kancane
True.
50-50 because
Yeah.
you choose the person and then
Yeah, there's ways that you can prevent it from happening.
Yeah.
And some women trap men with kids. To say, I hope he stays. But yeah, that's another topic for another day. It's a topic for another day.
amuzwe ibaleka le.
I know, angibalek. It's just that right now, for me personally, I don't really have anything nice to say
About that.
about that.
Okay. So now the part you haven't said the part. You earlier you said even you spoke in the yemali, but you didn't really go to how important is money. Do women also pretend that money is not as important as it
Hell
is?
no. That's probably the one thing that we do not pretend that is not
Yeah.
important. Hell, we need money. Money. We need money, but,
Sure.
but, and I have to say this,
Why
especially to the woman, it's also important to have your own money.
Why do you need a man's money? Why is it important for women?
What is your role as a man?
Provide.
Your role as a man is to provide, to protect,
Yeah.
and there's a third one. I forget, but I'll remember. It's to provide, to protect, and to
Lead, I don't know.
lead or prophesy over your family, right?
Sithini isilungu lapho bhuti?
Yeah, but those are really the two main. But the first thing is to provide.
Sure.
Provide kanjani ngenxa imali.
How, Fred?
You can't say how fair to.
Uzingela.
Never mind. Come on.
Jokes.
You know, you have to provide. You have to
Yeah.
provide, not necessarily comfort, but just even if it was bare minimum,
Yeah.
a home,
Yebo.
ikhaya, uphahla phezu kwamakhanda ethu.
Yebo.
Okay, food,
Yebo.
iy'ngubo zokugqoka, especially if you've got kids, iy'ngane fanele zibe ne-uniforms esikoleni. Just the basics. Asiwabeke eceleni ama-weekends away, ama-holiday, fancy cars and all the...
Yeah.
Asibeke eceleni impilo luxurious, ene-luxury.
Yeah.
Just basic.
But-
You require and you need money.
Asikhulume okay, yabo leyo uyibeka from ipoint ukuthi providing in terms of a family.
Yes.
Now, we don't have me this age, girlfriend my age. No family whatsoever. But money is there as well. Money is mele nje angiphi imali emele kushe kwacima kanjani.
Look, there's also things that I feel, specifically for me. There is nothing wrong with your man saying, "Hey babe, nakhona awusho ukuthi but ayizokwanela." No. Indoda mayivula wallet, it's me hambe yokwenza ikhanda nenzipho. Right? I'm just saying, because he knows, oh, hambe uthenga ama-cosmetics. As a umuntu wesifazane, it's so important. Then yokuba selfish and greedy and wanting thousands of rands, knowing very well that this man cannot afford it. The fact ukuthi out of the goodness of his heart and he wants to see you looking good.
Yeah.
Amkela logu ophiwa kona. And men, if you can give a little bit more, please do give a little bit more. Or even try and find out ukuthi i-hairstyle ka Moira nenzipho ka Moira combined zimalini. And also, women all women are expensive. There's no such thing as a gold digger. All women are expensive.
There's no such thing as what?
As a gold digger. There's no such thing as a gold digger. All women are expensive. You just have to pick the one that is in your price range.
How can you still come up?
Exactly. So for example, you, Vuyo,
Yes.
who is probably, you're not a millionaire.
Yes.
Okay, you're not a millionaire. You cannot go and date a Minnie Dlamini. Because Minnie Dlamini just bought her man just bought her 2.5 million rand Porsche or something.
Yeah.
Okay? That's not your level. Uyakuthanda, but at some point, at what cost?
Sure.
At what cost?
Because I have to provide this.
Ukhanyi Dlomo. Let's look at Khanyi Dlomo. Khanyi Dlomo used to date that guy that was part of the group that played that. They were madly in love. I forget the name. But he was part of that group,
Flute.
man. The cute boys that played these whistles and did these songs and all that stuff. They were quite big. Khanyi Dlomo dated him for years. But because financially, he just couldn't do anything. Where did she end up? Because it wasn't her level. That's not where she was supposed to be. So, sonke sinama levels ahlukahlukene. Yabo? Khona abanye abantu besifazane othola ukuthi uma indoda mayimuphi 1,000 ithi hawu baba imali engaka. Hawu baby imali engaka. Hawu ngenzeni kangaka. Yabo? Ababazi ibhadi. Mina if you
and
give
all
me
gents wish for that one.
yeah, you wish for that one, but at the same time, that one might not look like the one that you actually like. Get what I'm saying? For me, if you give me 1,000 rand, oh ngiyabonga. That's my hair, my nails.
Cool.
Or half a tank of petrol. But once you're going into the 5,000 rands, then I know, okay, I can actually pay a couple of things here and there. Then there's girls who are asking a monthly allowance of 10, 20, 30. Londi London at one point in time was given, she and Bougie was given 65,000 rand a month. Because that's the level that they play in. But umuntu wesifazane uyanakekelwa. And mengithi uyanakekelwa, I'm not talking about what's inside the home as well. Now as umuntu wesilisa ufuni uba nomuntu wesifazane omuhle. Ohlezi nje together enza inzipho enza ikhanda emuhle egqoke kahle ekhephuzela enalezi zinto zethu zokugcoba ngaphela ngesihlezi sigcoba uvaseline yabo fanele sithenge no L'Oreal no Maybelline kancane the lipstick quality must be good, all of that stuff, the skin, the lashes, mhlawumbe faka ama brows uthi uma ufika awusukane nadoda nali mama lami ngisho namajida akasho ukuthi
hayi angafuni ngabe amajida eduze wentombi yami.
No hayi ukuthi but nawo akubongela athi hey mfethu hayi nomfazi man.
Sure.
So money is important. It is really really important, but also it's important on both sides. Abanye baye kuba yimbungulu. Ukuba umuntu wesifazane ukhamisa ngithele nje is for me you should if you, let's say you're a student, then that's another different story. But I'm talking about if now you are working when ukwazi ukuthengela indoda yakhe ivest namasokisi. That's just selfish. When uzoba imbungulu yokuthi nje wena movula ikhekhe, mozi ukuthi birthday yendoda yakho, when ukuthi wazi ukuthi fanele uyoshefa ngoba that's the birthday gift that you're going to give him. You can't even go and buy a watch or save for a watch. And show him ukuthi nawe umkhathalele naye, he's important. And the princesses of the men of today.
Sure.
Phela sena ama princess ninaviwe. Senifuna i-princess treatment manje nani niyafuna ukuthi awu mina ngilona ngimenzela ukuthi awu today ungenzela okunye engak-understand. So nje I know it can't happen.
All right. Because of time and how things are looking at the moment, in a bit of a rush, we're going to end this episode here. Let me know if you'd like another second part of this episode much longer. Maybe I missed any questions. What questions should I ask next? Igama Khotla Mfaza Zwayitela Indoda Matuba Ishi Umkhonto Amazulu, and this is Chilling with the Zulu Man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.